Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Feminine Station. Hope you all are doing well. So today in my video I am going to review a shampoo by Oriflame. This is Hairx Advanced Care Ultimate Repair Nourishing Shampoo. Before I have already reviewed a shampoo that is for dandruff shampoo. Now this shampoo is for the ultimate repair. I use that dandruff shampoo on my scalp and I use this shampoo on my hair length. Basically my scalp is a little bit of oily and itchy, so I use that dandruff shampoo on my scalp, and on the lengthwise I use this ultimate repair shampoo because on the length we all know that we used to straighten our hair, curled it, so that's why our hair is getting very rough day by day. So I thought of giving this shampoo a try, and I really like this shampoo a lot because as I am using this on my length, so I don't have any problem related to my scalp. And another thing is that this shampoo make my hair straight and it's look very bouncy and very glossy. So I really love this shampoo. Regarding to my lengthwise, I don't use this shampoo on my scalp, so I cannot judge this shampoo related to the scalp. But if you want to use this on your length, you should basically go with this shampoo on your lengthwise. So you can give this shampoo a try. If you have very damaged hair, you should try this shampoo. This is very nice shampoo for your hairs. This will make your hair glossy, this will make your hair straightened, and this will give volume to your hair. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And sorry, I forgot to mention this is 250 ml product, and regarding the price for the product is 229 rupee, but you can easily get it in discount. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.